Alright. Alright, this is my bike check. I'm using the camera I used to have. Alright, ODI grips and barns, fit high bars, fit BF top load stem. What seat is that? I don't know what seat that is. Crap. Alright. Fit headset, Fit Tech 2.5 frame, Primo Kamikaze V2 forks, crappy front wheel, Fit FF 2.3 front tire, non-foldable, and then some seat I forgot the name of, Hoffman seat post, profile, GEDH cranks, Shadow Ravager pedals, Redline 28-tooth sprocket, Shadow interlock V2 chain, Shadow Corvus bottom bracket, and then a Fit FF tire and back 2.1 Odyssey Hazard V3 10-tooth cassette laced to a sun rim. That's my bike check, and he sucks.